So let us now start with the phylum Arthropoda. Now first and foremost, you have to remember that Arthropoda, they constitute the largest phylum. They constitute the largest phylum in the animal kingdom. So you may get a question, name the largest phylum in the animal kingdom. You are going to write Arthropoda. Okay, so Arthropoda animals or the Arthropoda phylum, this is the largest phylum of the animal kingdom. Okay, so the body varies considerably. The shape of the Arthropoda animals will be of different kinds. বহুত ধৰণৰ শেপৰ Arthropoda animals আছে. Okay, so they are triploblastic animals. সব মনত ৰাখিবা এইবিলাক. They are triploblastic animals. They are bilaterally symmetrical animals. Okay, metamerically segmented, coelomate animals, and they show organ system level of organization. So try to follow my explanation what I am saying. They are what? First, triploblastic animals. So they are triploblastic animals. তোমালোকে সব জানা triploblastic মানে কি? They are bilaterally symmetrical animals. Hetu jana tumaloke, you know it. They are metamerically segmented animals, that also you know. They are coelomate, coelomate. They are coelomate animals. Hetu tumaloke jana. And they have what? Organ system level of organization. I am repeating once again. সিহঁতৰ triploblastic হয়. Arthropoda animals triploblastic animals হয়. Bilaterally symmetrical হয়. Metamerically segmented, coelomate, আৰু they have what? Organ system level of organization. Okay. Now body, it is covered by a thick chitinous cuticle. So this is, if this is the body of cockroach, say this is the body of cockroach. Just think, this is the body of cockroach. So body of cockroach. Okay, the body of cockroach, it will be covered by a thick layer of cuticle. Cuticle. So there is a thick cuticle present on the surface of the body of the animal. So there is a, that's why you'll find the insects, they are hard. They are hard. Example, cockroach, you'll find the upper surface, it is hard. So why it is hard? The reason is what? That their body surface, it is covered by a thick layer of cuticle. Okay, then and this cuticle, it forms what? Exoskeleton. Skeleton. So their body externally is hard. Why it is hard? Because it is covered with cuticle. সিহঁতৰ বডিটো ওপৰৰ পিনে হাৰ্ড, ভিতৰত সফ্ট, কিন্তু বাহিৰৰ পিনে হাৰ্ড হয়। কাৰণ কি? They have cuticle on the surface of the body. Okay, আৰু এই হাৰ্ড কাৰণে এই বাহিৰা ষ্ট্ৰাকচাৰটোক এক্সোস্কেলিটন বুলি কোৱা হয়। So they have exoskeleton. Exo means বাহিৰত, endo means ভিতৰত। আমাৰ কি ধৰণৰ স্কেলিটন আছে? আমাৰ এণ্ডোস্কেলিটন আছে। We have endoskeleton. আমাৰ স্কেলিটনটো ভিতৰত, বডিৰ ভিতৰত। So it is endoskeleton. কিন্তু Arthropoda animalsৰ ক্ষেত্ৰত সিহঁতৰ স্কেলিটনটো বাহিৰৰ পিনে আছে, যিটোক এক্সোস্কেলিটন বুলি কোৱা হয়। It is hard externally. Okay? Now, exoskeleton, সিহঁতৰ যিটো exoskeleton, this is periodically changed by a process which is called molting. MOULTING, molting, or ecdysis. ECDYSIS. Okay, so Arthropoda animals, they change the skin. তোমালোকে দেখিছানে নাই? ককৰোচ চাবা, সিহঁতৰ স্কিনটো চেঞ্জ কৰে অ'কে কেতিয়াবা পাকঘৰত চাবা সিহঁতৰ স্কিনটো পৰি থাকে পাকঘৰত অ'কে চ' দিছ প্ৰচেছ অফ চেঞ্জিং দ্য স্কিন ইট ইজ কল্ড মল্টিং অৰ ইকডাইচিছ ক্লিয়াৰ চ' arthropoda animals they change their exoskeleton from time to time periodically they change their exoskeleton সিহঁতৰ এক্সোস্কেলিটনটো সিহঁতে পিৰিয়ডিকেলি চেঞ্জ কৰি থাকে আৰু সেই প্ৰচেছটো কি বুলি কোৱা হয় দ্যাট প্ৰচেছ ইজ ন'ন এজ মল্টিং অৰ ইকডাইচিছ অ'কে now they have a body cavity which is called hemocoel HAEMOCOEL hemocoel so the body cavity that they have it is called hemocoel now already this has been explained what is hemocoel hemocoel means what when the body cavity it is filled with what with the fluids when the body cavity is filled with a fluid with a blood that is called that body cavity is called what hemocoel so they have the body cavity সিহঁতৰ body cavity টোৰ নাম কি hemocoel বুলি কোৱা হয় কাৰণ সিহঁতৰ সিলমৰ ভিতৰতে কি আছে হিম আছে মানে ব্লাড আছে they have blood inside the silom সেই কাৰণে সিহঁতৰ সিলমটোৰ নাম কি হিমোচিল বুলি কোৱা হয় আৰু যিখিনি ব্লাড থাকে সেই ব্লাডটোৰ নাম কি হিমোলিম্ফ HAEMOLYMPH so blood that is present inside the hemocoel it is called what hemolymph now body is divided into different types usually body of the arthropoda animals it may be divided into head thorax abdomen okay again it may be divided some may be divided into cephalothorax and abdomen okay some others may be divided into prosoma opistosoma okay so the body of the arthropoda animals they are divided into various types for example some arthropoda animals you will find their body divided into three parts head thorax abdomen okay now head thorax abdomen this kind of body parts it is present in case of insects okay so remember this point head thorax abdomen যেতিয়া body part তিনটা ভাগত ভাগ কৰা হয় সেইবিলাকক insects বুলি কোৱা হয় পোক চুক যিবিলাক সেইবিলাক insects then if the body parts divided into two parts cephalothorax and abdomen তেনেহ'লে সেইবিলাক arthropoda animals কি হ'ব পাৰে they may be for example prawn misamas prawn in prawn the body is divided into only two parts cephalothorax and abdomen okay now there will be another group of arthropoda animals where the body it is divided again into two parts and those two parts are prosoma and opistosoma okay prosoma opistosoma jene spider 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 mokora jitu spider is it clear or not so the body of the arthropoda animals it can be divided into various types like if it is divided into head thorax and abdomen it will be insects if it is divided into cephalothorax and abdomen it is prawn if it is divided into prosoma opistosoma it will be spider okay so this is how the body of the arthropoda animals they are divided okay the next is that they have what jointed appendages now what are the appendages of the arthropoda animals usually the legs Then antenna. So this one is cockroach. So these two constitutes what they are, sensory organs. They are called antenna. Now if you observe very nicely, you will find this antenna actually it is divided into many segments. Okay, then this is the body consisting of legs. Okay, the legs you will find they are also jointed. Many segments are present. Okay, so as because the appendages they have many segments, so this kind of appendages is called what? Jointed. All these segments are joined with one another. All these parts are joined with one another. So whatever appendages they have, they are what kind of appendages? Jointed appendages. So they have jointed appendages. Okay, so সিহঁতৰ যিখিনি ভৰি চৰি আছে আগপিনে এইবিলাকক এণ্টেনা বুলি কোৱা হয়। এইবিলাক ভালকৈ চালে চাবা এইবিলাকৰ প্ৰত্যেকটো সৰু সৰু টুকুৰাৰে বনোৱা, and all these are joined together. Okay, so এইবিলাক structure যেহেতু they are all joined, small structures are joined together, so they are called what? Jointed appendages. এইবিলাকক jointed appendages বুলি কোৱা হয়। Okay, now digestive system in case of arthropoda animals, it is what kind? Complete jana. Alimentary canal complete মানে কি? Alimentary canal having two openings, ওপৰৰ opening to mouth, তলৰ opening to কি? Anus বুলি কোৱা হয়। So they have the alimentary canal which is complete. আৰু সিহঁতৰ যিটো mouth parts আছে, মুখত যিখিনি mouth parts আছে, okay, so those mouth parts they are adapted for chewing, cutting, biting, sucking. Okay, so যেনে cockroachৰ যিখিনি mouth parts আছে, they help in what? Chewing, cutting, bitingৰ কাৰণে, কিন্তু suckingৰ কাৰণে নহয়। Sucking is present in case of mosquito. You know mosquito কি কৰে? মস্কিটোৱে কি কৰে? মহে কি কৰে? আমাৰ তেজটো খায়, so they suck the blood. So what kind of mouth parts the mosquitoes have? The mosquitoes have sucking kind of mouth parts. Okay, cockroaches have what kind of mouth parts? Biting. They have what? They have chewing, cutting, biting kinds of mouth parts. Okay, now সিহঁতৰ respiratory system কি কি হ'ব পাৰে? Gills আছে, they have gills. Okay, gills আছে, then they have book lungs আছে, they have book gills আছে, book lungs আছে, BOOK book LUNGS. So what are the respiratory organs of the arthropoda animals? The respiratory organs of the arthropoda animals are what? Gills, book lungs, and the book gills. So all these questions you may get. Okay, the circulatory system, it is open type. মনত ৰাখিবা, circulatory system is open type হ'ব। Okay, আৰু excretory organ যিটো বহুত ধৰণৰ excretory organ আছে, ইয়াৰ পৰা question আহিব পাৰে, what are the excretory organs of the arthropoda animals? You may get a question. So excretory organs কি কি হ'ব পাৰে? যেনে for example green gland, coxal gland, Malpighian tubules, Okay, so what are the excretory organs of the arthropoda animals? What you are going to write? You are going to write green gland, coxal gland, Malpighian tubules. They are the excretory organs of the arthropoda animals. Okay. Their nervous system, it is also very simple, consisting of brain and nerve cord. So they have brain and nerve cord present. Okay. Then besides this, they have sensory organs. There are sensory organs also present, and the sensory organs, they may be antennae, eyes, statocyst. So statocysts. What are these? These are statocyst constitutes balancing organs. So name the balancing organs of the arthropoda animals. You are going to write statocysts. Statocyst constitutes the balancing organs of the arthropoda animals. Okay, and besides this, other sensory organs that are present are what? Antennae, eyes. Eyes may be simple type, eyes may be compound type present. Okay, so they are dioecious animals. They are what kind of animals? They are dioecious animals. Okay, dioecious animals. They may be oviparous, and mostly they are oviparous because they lay eggs. So they are oviparous animals. Their fertilization is internal, and development, it may be direct or indirect. Okay, you know all these differences, you know, I don't have to explain. And parthenogenesis is seen in some forms. Now, what do you mean by parthenogenesis? Parthenogenesis. It is what? Parthenogenesis is a process by which the egg will develop into an organism without getting fertilized. So when the egg will produce when the egg will develop into an animal without getting fertilized, then it is called parthenogenesis. So parthenogenesis is also seen in some arthropoda animals. So this much for today.